Hi guys, so we're going on Wolf Tales for the first time in a while. I don't know I don't even remember where I was on the account. I'm pretty sure I was in a club. I don't remember which club it was. But yeah, Shadow Wolf. I already have that one. Okay, looks like I already have a decent amount of stuff. 54.29k. 12k battle points, 450 moonstones. Okay, we have a decent amount here. Let's see. Rabbit hunt. See, okay, I thought I was in a club. Let me check. Or a guild. A guild. Don't listen to me. See, when you go on Horse Riding Tales, and then you suddenly switch to Wolf Tales, it's difficult to remember that here on Wolf Tales, it's a guild. And on Horse Riding Tales, it's a club. Okay, let's check. I thought I had a guild. I'm pretty sure it was called Raven Guild or something. JavaScript. Okay. I don't have a guild. Okay. Let's see. No, okay. Okay. We're gonna try and find a guild. More time. Okay, let's just go. We're just gonna go to guilds. Fearless. Oh, come on. Legendary souls. 5. Oh. Can I make 3? We'll try. Come on. I just need a guild. The Mythical Kingdom. 5k. Okay, I can't make 5k a week. I don't come on here that much. I could probably make 3k. The Wolves. Application successfully sent. Okay, so there's that. I think next I'm probably gonna I don't even know what to do next. I thought I had the fox too. Let me check if I have a fox. We're gonna go to characters. I do have a fox, so we're gonna switch to fox. Let's see what's going on with fox. I just dropped my phone. Ooh, this is pretty. I believe this was called... Let me see what skin this is called. Okay, so it looks like it has some decent abilities. Yeah, oh, it's glitching. No, it's glitching. Please don't glitch on me. Okay, there we go. Let's see what my skin is called. That sounds really... Embellished fox. So pretty. We'll try it. We're gonna kill a bunny. Why is the fox shooting fire? Foxes don't shoot fire. I don't know. Probably just so that they could have different abilities for each of the animals. Also, the jump looks really weird. Look at this. Look how their front paws go down. And looks like they're about to do a giant push-off. I don't know. Same with the horses and Horse Riding Tales. Also, when they jump, they land and they stick their front leg out. It's like horses don't jump like that in real life. They don't jump and then stick their front leg out. Oh, the rabbit hunt. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna wait until Crystal Flame. Maybe I'll try to get together a party for Crystal Flame. That'll probably be done. I'm done with that. Let's see. What? There's no players in my room? I'm so sad. The Forbidden Dragon. We're gonna invite to party. You know, I'm just gonna go in here and invite a ton of people to join the party. It works. Okay. You know, Wolf Girl. We're gonna invite her if this thing can load. Ooh, I have a skin. Cat. You know, we're just gonna invite a ton of random people. It all works out in the end. Springtrap. And next one's small. Midnight Fire. Okay. Now we'll see if anyone joined. No. Oh, This is so sad. Someone joined the party. Midnight Fire. Yes, thank you, Midnight Fire. You're my savior. Blaze Charm. I'm just gonna, honestly, I don't care what they say on here. I'm just gonna invite everyone. Everyone's welcome. Everyone. Blaze Charm joined. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I can't even say that name, but we'll terminate. Angel Star. That's a pretty name. There, people should all join eventually. Angel Star joined! Yes, we are slowly what? She just left right away. Rude. Oh, oh, it's Kinkajou! Oh, what comes of fire? I get it now. Okay. And that Kaylee Kitty Girl joined too. We're gonna spin in circles. I'm gonna pretend I'm chasing my tail. That's what my dog does. Anyways, alright, let's see. So let's see how many people are in the party now. Okay. 3 more slots. And then Sly Queen. I love it. Striker, Patriot. Slay Queen joined. Okay, we just need 2 more people. Spell the hybrid. What? Who thinks of these names? I don't understand these names. Maximus. I think I already. Oh. I feel so dumb. I invited him. I think he was the one that like left or right. Right away. Alright. Channels. Might just be what? Oh, it's a bear. Beautiful. Alright, that other cat dude joined the party too. Come on, we just need one more person. Arabic. Oh, that's cool. I don't understand it though, so. Oh, I mean. Why did I put don't worry? No, I'm not gonna put them making a video. Wait, do we have one more person? Yes, we have a full party. This is amazing. Oh no, my phone's gonna die soon. Please, buddy, just hold out a little longer. Please. Crystal Flint, come on, just 4 more minutes. We can do this. How am I putting so many LOLs? Guys, I can't stop. Oh, I hope it's someone a little glitchy because it's gonna die soon. Why do I keep pressing that? Come on. I'll just around 2 minutes. Come on, please. I just made the weird. the kitty. Midnight Fire. No, Midnight Fire, we need you. Give me the key. Accept. Alright, Crystal Flame is coming up, and then I'm gonna be done once that is over. Because I need to go eat food. I'm hungry. Oh, now Midnight Fire's on the chat being like, anyone want to join my party? No! Why is everyone leaving the party? Hopefully everyone else will just stay and just chill until Crystal Flame is ready. Come on, Crystal Flame is like a minute left. No, a minute and a half. See the Sky Islands up there. These Sky Islands look so much bigger than the ones in Horse Riding Tales. Those are birds. I was gonna be like, are those dragons flying up there? I'm like, no, those are birds. Also, it's kind of cool how you like fade into the grass. And you like can't see yourself. Right here, you like fade into the grass. It's strange. I don't know. Come on, Crystal Flame. 30 seconds. I'm I'm in a party waiting for Battle Royale to find a match. What? Oh, okay. Ugh. Is Slakeling still in the party? Let me check. Yes, Slakeling. Oh, I gotta get Crystal. Come on. I'm probably gonna end up dying, but it's okay. Come on, just gotta do this. Defeat the crystals. Kept glitching. I was like, no, I hit the target. I was like, oh shoot, I'm gonna die. And I'm dead. Dead. Oh, this is really sad. I only have like 170 damage done. Kaylee the kitty. Whoa, she's amazing. Kaylee the kitty. 2 out of 4 crystals. Come on, there's just 2 more crystals left to go. Come on, phone. Hold out. There's just 2 more crystals left. No, it's like left. It's only 3 people in the party now. Guys, why would you do this to me? What? What? What is going on? Like, really, truly, I don't understand what's going on right now. Probably because people keep leaving the party. Look, they are up there in the air. And I'm down here on the ground. What? What happened? No. Why did I'm gonna jump in the lava. Cause I'm mad. No! Please let me jump in the lava. Fuck, suicide. No, I'm not gonna do that. Well, that was a failure. I'm sorry, guys. You didn't even really get to see anything exciting. Except for the game glitching and everyone leaving the party. Yeah, I tried. Okay. Well, anyways, I gotta go because, again, my phone's gonna die. But I'll probably make another video of this soon. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. And, yes, so, yeah. Yeah, okay. Enjoy your summer, because I know for a lot of you guys it's probably summer. I know for me it's summer, so I'm gonna have way more time than I normally do. So yeah. Also, my club, Snowfall Horses, we desperately need new members. People keep applying, and they can't make the CP. So we really need new members. So if you are able to join my club, it's 5k CP weekly minimum. If you make that amount, then you can stay in for as long as you want to. We won't kick you. So, yeah, anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.